Morning class 6. Today's subject is computer and chapter name is more about Windows 7. This is part 2nd. Windows taskbar. Windows taskbar is the thin line which you have seen generally at the bottom of your monitor. In this there are start button, Internet Explorer, folders which you have opened and some shortcuts. This also includes the clock and the battery icon. First, let's discuss the start button. This looks like the window icon and it is generally on the left hand corner of the screen. This is used for starting your PowerPoint, Office. Next come our quick launch. Quick launch, you must have seen that at the bottom you have seen Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. From here we can directly click and can launch the application. Therefore its name is called quick launch. Next is the taskbar. It is the vacant area where we can type, where we found the openings. Taskbar is the bar where we found the applications which has been opened. Now next comes the notification area. This is the small tray at the right hand of the screen. In this area notifies you the hidden icons you must have seen. This also contain your speaker volume. You can adjust your speaker volume from there, and moreover there are many other icons. Like sometime you must have seen whenever you install a new software or a pen drive, the first use of the software, it is shown that the software is getting updated or the installation. So this thing is generally shown in the notification area. You must have seen while working that sometimes our network is shown with the red cross. Why this thing is shown? This shows that it is not getting connected with any network right now. Now there is the last thing at the corner is your clock, where you can adjust your timing as well as date. Calendar is also there, so you can adjust it. Generally we use calendar in month, day and then year, but you can adjust it according to yourself.